October 20th, 2020, vocabulary. Directions. Fill in the table with the correct terms from the bottom of this page. All right, so we have a definition and we have examples here. So our terms down here is variable, greatest common factor, and the distributive property. So let's take a look at this first one. Multiplying of a sum or difference by a number that will produce the same result of multiplying each number in the sum or difference by a number, then adding or subtracting the products. So remember, when we have that circle over here and we factor or we distribute it, we are using that distributive property. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to drag it up here into this box. So it is the distributive property. All right, now the next one, the definition, a symbol standing in for an unknown numerical value in an equation. So for example, X, Y, A, Z. Oh, that's a variable. Remember, we talked about that the whole time. Variable, just a letter. All right, now the biggest number that will divide two or more other numbers exactly. So that biggest number is going to be called the greatest common factor. And what we are going to learn pretty soon is how we're going to find the greatest common factor to put in front of our parentheses. And that is it for our vocabulary. Great job.